Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set new wallpaper on Samsung. So if you have a particular wallpaper you want to change your Samsung or you want to set a new wallpaper, then here's a video for you. Now, to set new wallpaper on Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app to open your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate wallpaper and style and click on that. Then it should say your existing wallpaper. To change your wallpaper, click on change wallpapers. Then you have access to features, gallery, graphical, colors, and wallpaper surfaces. Then let's come to gallery, click on that. This is going to open your gallery. Then scroll down, locate the photo you want to use as your wallpaper or your Samsung Galaxy phone. So scroll through, select it, then you can select up to 15 different photos. Click on done. Then this is how it's going to be. It's going to be like this on the lock screen and like this on the home screen. If that is good, click on next. And then it should see the wallpaper like this. Go ahead and click on next at the top right. Savings. Then close it and then you're good. So that's exactly how you can easily set new wallpaper on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.